imagine the vastness of the ocean, home to the majestic whales. Now, imagine bringing a piece of that wonder into our world in a way that's both fun and educational. Welcome to the fascinating world of inflatable whales. Inflatable whales are not just oversized toys, they are gateways to learning and appreciation of marine life. Created with intricate details, these giants offer a close-up look at one of nature's most magnificent creatures. From their realistic designs to their educational value, inflatable whales serve as an engaging tool for raising awareness about marine conservation. They bring the mystery of the deep blue right to our feet, igniting curiosity in both young and old. Crafted with precision, each inflatable whale is a testament to the marvels of engineering and design, but their purpose extends far beyond amusement. They symbolize our connection to the marine world and our responsibility towards its preservation. In schools and educational events, these inflatables serve as powerful teaching aids, helping educators bring lessons on marine biology, ecology, and conservation to life. They inspire future generations to advocate for the oceans and its inhabitants. Beyond the classroom, inflatable whales play a significant role in environmental activism. They make appearances at beach cleanups, conservation rallies, and awareness campaigns, serving as striking reminders of what we stand to lose without action. In the end, inflatable whales are more than just novelties. They are symbols of our enduring fascination with the ocean's giants and a call to protect their natural habitats. Together, we can ensure that the wonder they inspire continues to flourish, both in the hearts of the young and the actions of the old.